Hello children, in this video we are going to learn about limericks. But first, what is a limerick? Well, a limerick is a type of poem which is very special type of poem. Limericks are usually very silly or funny poems that are fun to read and to write. It always has 5 lines. It has a specific pattern. Pattern means rhyming scheme. Remember, words rhyme when they end with the same sound. So, let's look at the specific pattern used in limericks. Look at this poem. There was once a funny little car who wanted to turn into a star. It tried to fly with all its might, but it couldn't take flight and fell to the ground without going far. The first line, the second line, and the fifth line all rhymes in the same manner. That is, car, star, and far. They have same sound. Now see the third and fourth line. They rhyme with different sound than the other lines. That is, might and flight. They are rhyming. To understand the rhyme scheme, we use different letters of the alphabet to mark the different sets of rhyming words. For example, if we give letter A to the first line with rhyming word, that is car, and search other rhyming words in the poem having R as the sound, then we will get star and far. So total 3 words are rhyming here. So all these 3 words will be considered as letter A. And let's give letter B to the word might and find similar sounding word in the poem. We get flight, might, flight. They are rhyming together, so both will be letter B. Now we can write like this: AA, BB, A. This is called rhyming scheme or rhyming pattern of a limerick poem. Let's read some limericks written by an English poet, Edward Lear, who wrote many nonsense poems. These poems often made up of words that have no real meaning. Look at the first limerick. There was an old man in a tree who was horribly bored by a bee. When they said, "Does it buzz?" he replied, "Yes, it does. It's a regular brood of a bee." See the picture. An old man is sitting on a tree, and he was extremely bored by the sound of buzzing bee. When the people around the old man who are standing there near the tree asked this man, "Does it buzz?" Buzz is the sound of bees. It's a low, continuous humming sound. Then what old man said? Yes, it does. It makes sound like buzz. And it is something very unpleasant or very irritating or annoying sound to hear the sound of buzzing bees. So children, does it make any sense? No, it is silly and there is no sense in this poem. Look at the second limerick. There was an old man with a beard who said, "It is just as I feared. 2 owls and a hen, 4 larks and a wren have all built their nest in my beard." See the picture? An old man with long and heavy beard and he was afraid of something, and same thing happened. He was afraid of birds building their nests in his beard, and same thing happened. 2 owls, a hen, 4 larks. Larks are small brown birds with a very pleasant song. And a wren. Wren also a kind of small bird who are famous for singing. And they built their nests in his beard. See the picture. How funny, isn't it? Again, it's an illogical and senseless poem. Now, look at this third limerick. There was an old person of Basing, whose presence of mind was amazing. He purchased a steed, which he rode at full speed, and escaped from the people of Basing. Here also the poem starts with the same line. There was an old man. See, in all the limericks, the poet Edward Lear used the same starting line. In the third limerick, poet says, the old person of Basing. Basing means a place, some unknown place, okay? So an old person of Basing was very clever, and his intelligence level was just amazing. Amazing means very surprising. And people were surprised with his intelligence. He purchased a steed. Steed here means a horse that someone rides. And he sit on that horse and rode at full speed. As you know, horse runs very fast. So that old man was riding at full speed. And why he was doing so? Just to escape from the people of Basing. Escape means to run away. Run away from the people of Basing. Is there any sense? No. So children, limerick is a short and 5-line poem, often humorous in nature. I hope you enjoyed this chapter. See you in the next video. Till the time, take care and bye.